All right, so I have 2 stacks of 6 sheets of paper, folded in half and creased. Now what I'm gonna do is make a mark a couple inches in on both sides, here and here. And since I didn't give you a ruler, just take 2 of your fingers. I've got the pieces of paper stacked together. Y'all see that? Take your 2 fingers like this, and just with a pen or pencil, make a line. And then do it over here as well. Make a line. Okay, so you should have something that looks like that. So I'm just gonna mark on here where I'm gonna cut it. So I'm gonna cut in on this line, and then I'm just gonna cut a very skinny sliver of the spine out. And then on this one, I'm gonna open it up and then cut from here up to this line. Just on the spine of the whole stack. Maybe even a little bit past the line, but not under it, okay? So on this one, one of your stacks is gonna be like this. So everybody, you can do this now. Go ahead, everybody do this if you want. Cut up to the line. You don't have to mark it if you don't want to. I just do that so you can kind of see before I cut. So you're gonna have like this, okay? This is a whole stack of 6 that you folded.
Is that like on the spine?
On the spine. Yeah, so you're opening it up, finding the middle, and cutting on the spine. Okay, this one, watch me do it. I'm gonna cut right here. Cut a little bit, cut a little bit, and then I'm gonna turn it and cut along that spine, along the fold, just a tiny sliver. See how much came off? Not much. You're gonna go ahead and open this one up. Okay, so now I'm gonna open this one up that has the slits on the side, and go ahead and curl this up like that so that you can push it through here. Look, everybody look right now. Stop what you're doing and look. You're gonna take this one and poke it through here, and it pops right out on that side. I learned this from somebody. I didn't come up with it. But isn't that cool? Now look, it works. It's a book. Yay. No staples, no tape, no, what's that called? Thread. No, well, we do gotta use glue. It's called Bristol board for your cover. You're gonna go ahead and fold it as close to perfect as you can. Give it a good crease. This paper is 9 by 12. The other is 8.5 by 11. So this is a slightly bigger piece of paper. So when you put this in here, what you're gonna do, take your glue. Whoop, that glue's pretty much toast. Take your glue, and I'm gonna glue this whole first page. Are y'all listening and looking? I'm gonna glue this whole first page to the inside of the cover. And why did I glue the page and not the cover? But why didn't I just glue this one instead of this one? Because this one's smaller. Like, apply the glue to the paper, not the cover, because the paper's smaller. Does that make sense? Otherwise, you'll have glue sticking out where you don't want it to be.